Struggling with the periodic table? Reaction mechanisms got you dizzy? Don't worry. These top 10 science-backed study hacks will make learning chemistry smarter, easy to remember, and way more fun. Hi future scientists, let us dive right in. Tip number 1. Master chemistry with active recall. Chemistry builds on itself, so staying on top of each topic is key. Reinforce the new material by reviewing your notes and textbook the same day you learn it. Yes, reading the textbook is important. But before a test, skip the passive rereading. Actively recall the concepts instead. Quiz yourself. Close your book and write down everything you remember. Explain concepts out loud. Studies show that students using active recall outperformed rereaders by up to 50%. Tip number 2. Don't cram. Space it out. Cramming is like trying to chug a gallon of water in one go. Instead, space out your study sessions with intermittent breaks to move information from short-term to long-term memory. A great way to do this, the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then enjoy a longer break. This method keeps your brain fresh, fights fatigue, and makes studying way more effective. Tip number 3. Understand, don't memorize. Simply memorizing rules, formulas, or compound names without understanding their purpose is not effective. Focus on how and why these rules work and why they matter. For example, why are prefixes necessary for covalent compounds, but not for ionic compounds? Why must the charge of a transition metal be written as a Roman numeral in ionic compounds? Grasping the logic behind these conventions not only makes memorization easier, but also enhances your ability to apply the concepts in problem solving. Tip number 4. Use visuals, stories, and analogies. Our brain thrives on visuals. Instead of passively reading, draw reaction mechanisms and electron dot diagrams. Studies show that visual aids can boost recall by up to 65%. Ionic bonding, think of a dance. Sodium gives up an electron to chlorine, like a dance partner handing off the lead. Once paired, they form a strong bond, perfectly in sync. Covalent bonding, imagine 2 people sharing a sandwich. Just like electrons are shared in a covalent bond. Chemical reactions, picture a grand dance production. The dancers, or atoms in this case, stay the same. But with every performance, they switch partners, just as atoms break old bonds and form new bonds. So relate chemistry to things you already understand. Analogies turn abstract concepts into something intuitive. Tip number 5. Practice problems like it is game day. Chemistry is not a spectator sport. Practice solving as many problems as you can. Start with easy ones, then tackle harder ones without peeking at the answer key. This builds confidence and helps uncover weak spots early. Tip number 6. Use mnemonics and memory tricks. Leo the lion says grr. Lose electrons is oxidation, gain electrons is reduction. Or I have no fear of clay bricks for diatomic elements. Make your own weird funny ones. Tip number 7. Minimize distractions. Focus like a chemist in the lab. Cut out distractions while studying, both in class and at home. Your brain works best when it is fully engaged. In class, sit in a spot with minimal distractions. Take notes actively. Ask questions. The more engaged you are, the more you will remember later. At home, set up a distraction-free study zone. No phone, no social media, just you and chemistry. If you need background noise, try white noise or instrumental music. Multitasking does not help you to study effectively. Try the 5 more rule. When you feel distracted, push yourself to read 5 more lines. Solve 5 more problems. Or focus for 5 more minutes. Over time, your attention span will improve. Tip number 8. Teach it to someone else. If you can teach it, you really get it. Try explaining a tough concept to a friend, to a relative, or even to your pet. This activates elaborative rehearsal, a memory technique shown to deepen understanding. Tip number 9. Growth mindset. Studying is not about chasing grades. It is about learning, growing, and improving. Think of mistakes as stepping stones, not setbacks. Every time you get a question wrong, you are identifying a gap in your understanding. This is a chance to strengthen your understanding. Reframe mistakes. Instead of, I failed this problem, say, I have not mastered it yet, but I will. Respect the process. Just like athletes analyze their missed shots or musicians refine their technique, scientists and students learn from mistakes made. Mistakes don't define you. How you respond to them does. Focus on understanding. Why does this concept work this way? How can I apply it in different situations? Studying for deep understanding makes learning fun, exams stress-free, and real-world problem-solving second nature. Keep a mistake journal. Write down tricky problems, what went wrong, and how to fix them. You will be surprised how much stronger you get over time. Tip number 10. Fuel your brain for studying. Best foods for studying? Berries, packed with antioxidants to boost memory. Nuts and seeds, rich in omega-3s and vitamin E for brain function. Dark chocolate enhances focus with natural stimulants. Avocados improves blood flow to the brain. Avoid these before studying. Sugary snacks and soda causes energy crashes. Fast food and fried food can make you sluggish. Too much caffeine leads to jitters and loss of focus. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can impact concentration. Sleep equals retention. Do not pull all-nighters. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more fun science, and comment your favorite study tip below. Happy learning! Thank you.